enjoy lao lao, the hula, Hawaiian music, and party at luau's with traditional food, lomi salmon, and poi. 45% of our population at WCMS is Hawaiian. Representing Hawaiians is Isabella Uilani Siliado and Lamaku McGee. Isabella is the daughter of Eric Lamaku is the son of Benavir Kael Philosophy Samoa is a group of 12 islands in the South Pacific. Most of the Samoan islands are very generally towards winds Elia Mose is the son of Donna and Nalani Kanahele of Kekoha. They love to joke around, sing and dance. They share with us the slap dance and the sibo. Samoans are also famous for their rugby players and have also influenced our islands by the introduction of food such as palasami and okra.
Famous for their contribution